So we're doing exercise 5b, and in this video I'm going to be answering question 7b. Question 7 reads, sketch the graphs of each of the following relations stating the implied domain and range of each. So here we're given x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 16. I've written down here my standard equation for a circle, also known as my center radius form. And as you can see, my h and my k is going to be my center and my r will be my radius. This is going to be helpful because now looking at this, it's going to be quite clear that 2 and 3 will be my h and k values, and therefore be here, 2, 3 will be my center. So I could come here, I could find 2, I could find 3, I put a dot in there, and say this is going to be 2, 3, this will be my center. Next, I need to find my radius. My radius is here, r squared, so here it's going to be very clear, it's going to be 4. So now I'm going to go from my center and go up 4 spots. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this value and plussing 4 to it. So taking the y value of my center and plussing 4. So it's going to be 2, 7. Then I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So once again, my x value will stay the same, but I'm taking my y value of the center and minusing 4, which is going to get me to -1. Then I'm going to go this way. So now I'm taking my x value of my center and plussing 4 to it. So I should get to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 here will be 6, 3. Then I'm going to go this way. So I'm going to take my x value of my center and minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to get to -2. -2 and 3. Now that I have all of that, I'm going to give it a sketch. So I'll grab my circle and sketch it out. So it's going to look like this. My center's at 2, 3, and I have all my points. So now I need to answer the question, which is finding my domain and range. So let me grab my pen. Whoopsie daisy. So my domain is going to be the set of all the possible x values. And notice here that we're asked to find the implied domain, which could also be known as the maximal domain, which is the largest domain for which the rule of the relation has meaning. So in this case, I'm going to look at my x values and say that my x values are from -2 to x equals 6. So it's from x equals -2 to x equals 6. So I come with my pen and I could go -2 to 6. Another way I could write this is -2 x 6. Both are legitimate. Now I need to write down what my range will be. My range is the set of all my y values, and hopefully you can see here that my lowest y value will be -1 and my highest y value will be 7. So I would say that my range is between -1 and 7. And once again, I could write this another way. I could write this as -1 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 7. Both ways are legitimate. So that's how you do your domain and your range for question 7b. Hopefully this was helpful.